Hey, what's up? This is Lisa Seymour Howard, and I am a independent life insurance agent and also CEO and founder of Seymour Promotions Marketing Company. And in today's video, I want to talk about getting over the fear of posting about your business or yourself online. The reason I'm so passionate about that is because I know the effect that social media can have on your business. I also know what fear of using social media to promote your business. I also am someone who knows about that, and I know about it very, very well. You see, I've taken so many coaching programs to better myself, to get myself out there, to build my business and help other people build theirs. And even with all of that, I still have this fear of what am I going to say, and is it going to be received well, and all those things that comes up to make you not want to move forward. And with that, I just want to say, if you have a product or a service, and if you're in life insurance, you do have a product, a service that is really needed. Do you see all the GoFundMe accounts or campaigns that are posted because people are dying and they don't have life insurance? So it is me and you, it's our moral obligation to get our business out in front of people, because people need this. Whether they know it or not, they need it. That's why I decided to start a marketing company. And my company focuses on getting life insurance agents. And I will open this up to other businesses as well, but for now I'm focusing on life insurance agents so that we can have what we need to move forward and to move past fear, or what Bob Proctor is a guy that I followed for years. He's gone now, rest his soul, but he talked about the terror barrier. And we get an idea in our mind and we know what we need to do to execute it, but there's something inside that's keeping you from doing it. And that's what Bob Proctor called the terror barrier. And it is such a humongous thing to get past. But what you and I, because I'm guilty myself, what we need to do is to look inside and see what is it about our self-image that's keeping us from building the business or the life that we desire. Because like I said, I've been in many coaching programs. There's not one of them that did not say you need to get on social media. That's where the people are. I'm sorry, that's where they are. And I dread buying leads and calling. I dread that. But when it comes to posting on social media, I a lot of times stop myself, because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like people won't receive me well, or maybe I get the imposter syndrome, like, who am I to tell these people how and what to do? But I know that the answer is putting your business in front of people. You know, the answer is putting your business out in front of people. And the people are online, whether you use Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. I have a TikTok channel and I have 11,000 followers. And guess what I do? I dance. I do not talk about my business, but that's going to change because that's what I need to do. And we need to get past that fear. And that's what I'm doing right now. And that's why I'm sharing my voice and being totally transparent about my business and how afraid I am to do the things that every one of my coaches have told me to do. That's the one thing, posting online. I got so much knowledge packed up in my head that I don't know what to do with it. But it means nothing until I share it. And it is our moral obligation to share it. So that's what this video is about. I just wanted to hop in. I just got off a meeting earlier today with one of my coaches, and she was like, Lisa, that you gotta do it. You just got to do it. And how are you gonna have a business without letting people know? You don't want to call leads, so you got to do something else. And this is what you can do to move your business forward. And I'm here to hold your hand to help you to do it, because that's what I'm doing. You just gotta get past the terror barrier, get past the fear, and give the world the talent that God gave you, because it's needed. And you're not gonna rest until you do what you know you have to do. So that's my video for today. That's my message for today. I wish you success and prosperity in all that you do. If you're a life insurance agent, I will be launching my social media marketing company. As of the date of this video, it's going to be in about 2 weeks. You can comment below if you want to get on a call with me about it. But anyway, that's my spiel for today. And you would think I've been posting online because I have another YouTube channel. It's a channel for women who's gone through divorce, because I have, and I realized the difficulty in that. I haven't been posting there lately, but I'm gonna get back to that too. But I say all that to say, I've been posting on that channel for a long time, and I still have this terror barrier. I have I want to say 177 videos, maybe not that many, I don't know. I got a lot of videos. So I've been doing this a long time, and it's still scary. So just do it scared. That's my spiel for today. Talk to you later. Hope that this message helps you to move forward. If it has, comment below, like, subscribe, and I'll be talking to you again soon. Thank you.